Hey guys, Tony here. I did want to go through a quick TA for GameStop. I actually just finished the charts. Overall, man, we are looking extremely bullish for GameStop right now. On the weekly chart on the MACD, we do have some really strong bullish momentum. We actually just cleared a brand new green bullish candle on the MACD, so it does look really good. The stochastic is actually up. Sorry, my little girl just farted. That's why I'm laughing. Jesus Christ, she's still farting. But anyways, on day chart again, we actually just crossed over on the bullish for the MACD. We just created that strong candle right there. And on average, GameStop's little mini bull rallies last about 5 days. This is the first day of the bull rally. So as of right now, I fully expect us to keep going on the bullish side for GameStop. But everything is still pretty bullish. The 4 hour is bullish. The 1 hour is still bullish. I mean, it does look like we created some sort of like little some sort of top on the bullish MACD for the 1 hour, but I don't think I'm not looking at that. I'm not looking into it too much. I'm going by what's happened before on the MACD on the history. So last time we had a run up, we did have a run up. Sorry, my little girl keeps she keeps farting, so it's kind of hard to concentrate. But last time we actually had a crossover on the 4 hour chart. Actually, let's go back to the day, which is actually a lot more consistent. So the last time we actually had a run up like this, we went up about 80%. I'm fully expecting the same thing to happen this time. Especially right now that we're so strong on the bullish side, I do expect us to do the same. At peak, I do think GameStop will probably hit, if we do go up that 80% from the bottom to top, right? So bottom, we went from 1071 all the way up to 1937 in about 14 days. As of right now, it is looking like the same thing is going to happen. So as of 12/14, which is December 14th, we were at $12.13. In 2 weeks, basically, in about 14, 16 days, like you guys can see here, I am expecting that rush towards that 20, basically $22 mark. Once it hits that $22 mark, it really depends on that what it does right after, right? So I do think we're gonna hit $22, possibly retest that $20 level, and then shoot all the way up. I think to $25. $24.67, as you can see at the fibs. So I really only think there's gonna be two things that happen right now. I'll draw it out on the chart. But for GameStop, I do think, where are my arrows? Always hard to find, bro. So I think for right now, we are currently right here. You can see this little green, this little like dot, right? So as of right now, I do think we're either gonna do this. We're either gonna shoot all the way up to 24, to right towards this 24, almost $25 level, or what's gonna happen is we are going to do this. We're actually gonna go from where we are currently. We're gonna hit that $22 mark right right here. We'll do whatever we'll do right here. We're gonna go back down. We're gonna retest right where we stopped. We're gonna retest the 1960 level, or around the $20-ish level, and then from there, I do think we are more than likely gonna go back to the 24.50, or around the $25 level. So I really only think that these two things are possible. We can either take the direction of going straight from right now towards the $25 level, or actually let me change these colors just so it could be a better better description of what's actually going to happen and what direction we're actually going. Change this too. We'll do the yellow, right? Just so you can see a little bit better. So as of right now, I do think we're either going to moonshot from right now to $25 in the next 2 weeks, or we're going to we're going to actually hit $22 or around that level, go back down to 1946, around $20, retest and break to the upside. I do not think we're going to go back down under $20. This short squeeze is too strong, and I think we're just gonna keep moving upwards. I am like 95% sure this is gonna happen within the next 2 weeks or possibly a month. So I think as of right now, I mean, tomorrow I'm probably gonna open some, January 15th GameStop calls, for maybe 25, 24, possibly. I might buy one for $20 and I might buy another one a little bit more out the money, to see how it actually plays out. So I might buy one for $20 tomorrow, a $20 call, and then another one for $25, a $20 call. But I'm about 95% sure that it's gonna play out. Either we shoot straight up to the $25 level, like you guys can see here, or we actually hit halfway, about $22, which is the forecasted, the one that I'm actually thinking is going to happen more. We go back to $20, we retest and go all the way up. But I do think this is all going to happen within the next month. So I do think that monthly calls are going to be the way to go. If not, more than likely like a month and a half, I think would be on the safer side. If you guys want to play it short, buy 2 weeks out. I would strongly recommend minimum doing at least a month out calls for GameStop, but I 100% think this is going to happen. We're either going to shoot up straight to $25, or we're going to test out halfway to 22, drop down to $20, that 1946 level or that 1940 level, retest, and then shoot all the way up to $25. So I'm like around 95% sure that's going to play out this way. Let me know what you guys think, down below. Leave your comments, like the video, all that good stuff. But this is my TA GameStop. I'll see you guys later.